Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Jayant. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Image Processing, which is a part of Artificial Intelligence. Come guys, let's start the video. Introduction to Image Processing. Image processing is a rapidly involved field that encompasses the digital manipulations and analysis and interpretations of visual information. It plays a crucial role in various industries. For example, medical industries and some other digital industries. The overview of image processing. Here you can see the image which has input and processing and the output. What we say as image processing is nothing but we for a AI model we have to provide lot of the informations or data sets to recognize a image. Then the lot of information present over the AI model, it will recognize the input image and provides the output. Nothing but for example, if you have provided any nature image, for that it should be having lot of data regarding the nature. What are the objects are there in a nature, it should be identified, and then it will going to recognize the output of image. Then it will provide the details and output. This is what actual image processing is work. Let's see about overview of image processing. Defining image processing. Image processing is the use of a computer algorithm to perform operations on digital images such as enhancement and analysis and transformations. Key techniques. Common techniques includes filtering and segmentation, failures and extractions and object recognition. The recognition should be more important, right? Which enables the whole range of the application. That's it. Applications and domains. Image processing has a diverse application in field like medical industries and some satellite imaginary or any other industries, computer versions and digital photography. These all needed by the applications which uses the image processing technology. Nature and characteristics of digital image. We know about what is digital image. Let's let us discuss about digital image. What is digital image? We know about the ports, right? The viewport, what we are seeing in our laptops and phones and all. In our phones we can say that 720 pixels, and in laptop 1080 cross 720, something very slight. As the same, if the image we are recognizing or we are finding any images, it should contain the lot of data which is in the form of matrix. The matrix is represented in pixels, right? Yeah, that's what we call it as digital images. Pixel based, they are said the same. Digital images are composed of discrete pictures elements called pixels that with its own color and industry values. You know that one pixel, our laptops, we can say that 1080, I have told, right? 1080 cross 120 something. 1080 is nothing but these are the lines, these are the vertical lines present in any devices, and 720 are the rows, number of rows. If we are seeing any images, then it should be in the form of any angles, or it is in the form of rectangle with the colors, and then only we can identify, right? So that if the image is represented in the digital way, then we have to use the pixel based images, or we have to recognize it by the pixels and the resolutions. You people all know about resolutions like HD resolution and HRD is there, and nowadays 4K and 8K, all the technologies are coming, and the resolution is also making more better. The resolution of a digital image measured in the pixel per inch or dots per inch. Pixel per inch or dots per inch. Using these units, we are going to measure the resolution of a picture, right? Color depth. Digital images uses a range of color depth from 1 bit to monochrome to like 24 bits or 32 bits in a true color. Related field and applications. Computer visions and medical imaging and autonomous vehicles, we can use that, and multiple applications. Image processing is a core component of computer vision which aims to enable the computer to interpret and understand the digital images and videos. Medical imaging is nothing but we know about scanning, right? Like that. Medical imaging. Medical professionals utilizes the image processing technology to analyze the medical scans and like x-rays and MRIs and CT scan, other things, etc. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars. We know about Tesla. Tesla is the best, and now it's going to be best. Self-driving cars rely on advanced image processing, and we know about self-driving cars, auto copilot. And if we on that, we are the copilot or the self-driving machine or self-driving car should be analyzed the all the objects present in a nature and cars which are the moving cars in front of our vehicle, and it should be recognized is there any person walking towards the road. All are comes under image processing, guys. Multimedia applications. Image processing is crucial of enhancing the compressed and multimedia like manipulations, digital images and all, etc. In gaming also we can see the image processing, gaming and social media, etc. Digital image representation of fundamentals. What? Digital image representation of fundamentals? Let us see. Like pixel and resolutions, as we all already discussed in the previous slide. Here you can see that in the first image there will be variations, right? Is it? The clarity of an image is dependent on the resolutions and pixels. The first image is more better than the second, and second image is more better than third image, right? Here the third image is low resolution image which can't recognize the image. The color depth, here you can see the color depth. If the 8-bit color depth it is there, then we will use RGB color, right? RGB color is more efficient to use, and in images we can cover all the colors in RGB color, nothing but red, green, blue. In 8-bit depth color it should be something blur we can get, and in 10-bit and 12-bit we can say that better than the 8-bit color, right? And the file format and compressions. Digital images are stored in the various files format, such as we can say that any advanced terms or any other things, we can say that HTML file and other videos and images, something like this. Key concept of techniques in image processing. Digital image filtering. Applying filtering to enhance and sharpen and smooth and digital images, reducing the release and artificial artifact of improving the quality of image. Image segmentations. Partition an image into multiple segments to isolate and enhance the specific region and object of interest. And the failure extraction and image resolutions are there. First of all, I have to talk about digital image filtering, something more. You all know about watermark, right? If any images has some watermark, then how you can remove that? We will use some blur methods, or we are making that space as blur, and then we are doing some extra things using some Photoshop and nothing, something are there. Nowadays we can use AI technology to remove the watermarks without blur. We can't say it is 100% clear, but we can say that it is more than 70% clear than other blur methods. Nothing but if we remove the watermark, it at the particular place it should be something blur. When we say that if we will find this problem in the videos. If any watermarks are there in a video, if we remove it, then we will find some issues how to fix it. It will be a huge problem, right? Nowadays with the AI technology we can easily remove the watermarks. Whatever I have experienced, I am sharing that on that side. Types of digital images, raster images and vector images and hybrid images. These are the types of digital images. Practical example of visualization. Exploring the real world applications of image processing techniques and forms for medical imaging, from medical imaging to focal recognitions, and see how these powerful tools transfers the digital pictures into actionable insights. We know about some copilot, it will provide a image which generates an image. If you give some prompts, if you want to create any images, like if you want to create one house between some nature or a village, if you provide a prompt to Copilot, then it will try to recognize your prompt and it will generate its own AI image with their own dataset. Future trends and developments in image processing. Advance in AI, machine learning and deep learning technologies will contains the revolution image processing and enabling the more accurate object detection, image classifications, and computer vision applications. Improved resolutions, advancement in sensor technology, and computational power level will be more, and something extra. The quality of quantum images, quantum computing and imaging technology will enable a new form of image processing with unprecedented speed, sensibility, and security. Operating of operations, opening up possibilities in the field of cryptocurrency and I'm sorry, cryptography and other fields. Thank you guys. This is all about our video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. We will meet you next time. Bye.